Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss how to solve day 3 of August Week Code Challenge. So first, let us look about the problem statement. So we are given a string as an input. We should check whether the given string is a valid palindrome or not. Checking palindrome or not is very simple. Basically, just reversing a string and comparing two strings. So, but here they have given a condition that is consider only alphanumeric characters and ignore cases. So what is this alphanumeric? Alphanumeric means just alphabets like small a to small z and capital to capital Z and digits from 0 to 9. So we should consider only those characters and we should ignore all the other characters that are present in the string. So first let us see this example here they have given that a space man comma a like that. They have given a very long string. So after ignoring, we should ignore all the void spaces and all the commas and all the semicolons present in the string. After ignoring all the characters which are other than alphanumeric characters, the resultant string will look like this. So and I have reversed the string and the reverse string will look like this. So if we observe these two strings, we will observe that they both are not palindromes because of the cases. See here, it is in capital A, it is in small a. It's capital P, it's small p. So if we ignore these cases, then then the both strings are palindrome. So for ignoring cases, we have two choices. That is, first we should convert all lowercase letters into uppercase letters. All we should convert all uppercase letters into lowercase letters. So here I am considering the case in which I am considering all uppercase letters into lowercase letters and then comparing both strings. So what I have done is first I have taken an empty string that is p is equal to empty string that is null string, and then I'm traveling through each character of the string and converting the character into a lowercase character, and then I'm checking that if the character is an alphanumeric character or not. If the character is an alphanumeric character, then I'm adding the string to the then I'm adding the character to the string. If the character is not an alphanumeric character, then I'm ignoring the character and moving to the next character in the string. So after that, I will get only the characters which are alphanumeric into the variable p. So now what I'm doing is I'm comparing string p and the reverse string p. That is, in Python, reversing a string is very easy. Just this much simple. So what I have done is I'm comparing original string and reverse string, and if the both strings are equal, then I'm returning true, or otherwise then I'm returning false. This code will pass all the test cases. I'm running my code. See, it has passed all the test cases. So thank you friends. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.